Hey, good morning.
Good morning to you.
Nice day today.
Yes, very beautiful day.
Do you come here often?
Yes, every morning.
Me too. I love parks.
Yes, parks are so nice.
My name is Alex.
My name is Tom.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
Where are you from?
I am from Italy.
Oh, Italy is beautiful.
Yes, I love Italy.
How long are you here?
I am here 6 months.
Do you like it here?
Yes, very much.
Is this park near your home?
Yes, just 5 minutes.
Me too. I live close.
Oh, really? That is nice.
Do you walk here daily?
Yes, every single morning.
What time do you come?
I come at 8.
Me too. Same time.
Oh, really? Great.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work nearby.
What do you do?
I am a teacher.
Oh, that is a great job.
Yes, I love teaching.
What do you teach?
I teach mathematics.
That is very useful.
Yes, kids need math.
Do you like your job?
Yes, very much.
Where do you work?
At the school nearby.
Is it far from here?
No, just 10 minutes.
That is very convenient.
Yes, I am lucky.
What is in your bag?
My books and notes.
Are you going to work?
Yes, in 1 hour.
Is that your coffee?
Yes, I love coffee.
Me too, every morning.
Coffee makes me happy.
Where do you buy it?
At the cafe near park.
Is it good coffee?
Yes, very delicious.
Do you have hobbies?
Yes, I like reading.
What do you read?
I read history books.
That is very interesting.
Yes, I love history.
Do you play any sport?
Yes, I play tennis.
Oh, really, me too.
We should play together.
Yes, that would be fun.
Yes, let us do it.
Do you have family here?
No, family is in Italy.
Do you miss them?
Yes, sometimes I do.
Do you call them often?
Yes, every weekend.
That is very nice.
Yes, family is important.
Do you have friends here?
A few, yes.
Are they from work?
Yes, mostly from work.
Do you go out together?
Yes, on weekends sometimes.
Do you like this city?
Yes, I love it here.
What do you like most?
I love the parks most.
Me too. Parks are great.
Yes, very peaceful here.
Do you speak English well?
I am still learning.
Your English is very good.
Thank you very much.
How do you practice?
I watch English videos.
That is a great idea.
Yes, it helps a lot.
Do you have other hobbies?
I also like cooking.
Oh, what do you cook?
I cook Italian food.
That sounds so delicious.
Yes, come eat sometime.
Really? Thank you so much.
Yes, of course.
Are you free this weekend?
Yes, I am free.
Let us play tennis then.
Yes, great idea.
Saturday morning, okay?
Yes, Saturday is perfect.
Meet here at 9?
Yes, 9 is good.
Can I have your number?
Yes, of course, here.
Thank you very much, Tom.
Thank you too, Alex.
It was nice meeting you.
Yes, really nice meeting.
See you on Saturday.
Yes, see you then.
Have a great day.
You too. Take care.